What is neural pruning and neuroplasticity? Have you ever wondered how our brains become so efficient at learning and adapting? One key process that plays a vital role in this is called neural pruning. So, what exactly is neural pruning in the context of neuroplasticity? Let's break it down. Neural pruning is a natural part of brain development. It occurs when the brain eliminates extra neurons and synapses, which are the connections between neurons. This process helps the brain become more efficient by strengthening the important pathways and removing those that are not needed. During early childhood, the brain produces a vast number of neurons and synapses, creating many potential connections. However, not all of these connections are useful. Neural pruning allows the brain to sculpt itself by selectively removing excess synapses. This way, the most important and frequently used connections can become stronger and more stable. This process is especially active during infancy and early childhood, peaking around 1 to 2 years of age. At this time, synaptic density is at its highest. After this peak, pruning reduces the number of synapses to adult levels, helping to organize and optimize brain circuits. The connections that are used often are retained and strengthened, while those that are rarely used are pruned away. From the perspective of infant brain growth and early childhood neurodevelopment, neural pruning is essential. It shapes how the brain's networks form and function. It helps the brain specialize in skills and behaviors that the child practices, such as language, motor skills, and social interaction. Without pruning, the brain would be cluttered with unnecessary connections, which could reduce its efficiency. In practical terms, this means that early experiences and learning opportunities are important. They influence which neural pathways are strengthened and which are pruned. Providing rich and stimulating environments supports healthy brain development. It encourages the formation and maintenance of useful neural connections. Neural pruning is the brain's way of trimming away unused or redundant connections during development. This allows the brain to become more efficient and specialized. It is a fundamental mechanism of neuroplasticity, especially critical in infancy and early childhood when the brain is rapidly growing and adapting. Understanding this process can help us appreciate the importance of nurturing environments for young children.